Hi again and welcome back to 31 Days, 31 Lessons, One Winning Team. Now if you're a business owner or a leader looking to build a high performing team, then you're in the right place. Because every day this month I'm going to be sharing with you practical, no fuss strategies that you can start using right away to create your own winning team. And today I'm diving into supporting risk taking and innovation. Now think about it. If people fear failure, how likely are they to try new things? Now, when we create an environment within our business where mistakes are met with criticism rather than seen as a learning opportunity, we inadvertently stifle creativity and innovation. It's a simple truth. When team members are afraid to take risks, they stick to what's safe. And great ideas remain just that, ideas that never get off the ground. Now, the key insight here is that great ideas are created within a culture that encourages risk-taking. Think about the most innovative companies in the world. They thrive on experimentation. They embrace failure as part of the learning process and they constantly push the boundaries. Therefore, when your team knows that trying new approaches is not only accepted but celebrated, you'll be able to unlock a wave of creativity and problem solving that drives your organisation forward. So it's about shifting the focus from fear of failure to a passion for discovery and continuous improvement. So here's your actionable step for today. Reward effort and learning, not just success. Instead of only celebrating the end result, recognise the hard work and the creativity and even the lessons learned from failed attempts, because learning is winning. Now this could be as simple as acknowledging in team meetings when someone experimented with a new idea, or you could implement a fail forward award that highlights efforts to innovate even when the outcome wasn't perfect. And by doing this, you're signalling to your team that every attempt is a stepping stone towards success and that growth comes from taking bold actions. Remember, fostering a culture that supports risk-taking isn't about encouraging reckless behaviour. It's about empowering your team to explore, experiment and evolve. And when you reward the process of learning and improvement, you're going to build for yourself an innovative team ready to tackle challenges head on. Okay, thank you for tuning in today. Now, if you found this strategy helpful, please like, comment, share, follow, connect, so that you won't miss tomorrow's lesson on building your own winning team. Until then, encourage risk-taking, celebrate learning, and watch your team's creativity soar. And remember, these tips only work if you work them, so give it a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery, because trust me, you are going to thank yourself later. Now you go out there and make this the year that you create a winning team for your business.